Behind me, I have a brand new floor plan from Keystone for 2026. It's 25 feet, it's 4,000 pounds, and it sleeps 6. Oh, did I mention it's all under $30,000? Let's go take a look. All right, without further ado, we got the brand new 2026 Keystone Bullet Classic. This is the 21 RKC, brand new floor plan for this year. Over to the left, you're gonna see all the specs on this unit. And this is just a really nice floor plan that stays light, stays short. You can tow this everywhere. And it sleeps 6, so it can be a little bit more than a couple's coach if you want it to be. Love the 2 doors. And let's start right up here at the front. You've got this nice cap that Keystone put on there. They've got their new branding. Got the diamond plating below. It's gonna keep everything from getting chipped and nasty over time. You got your 2 20-pound LP tanks. Easy to exchange out. Power jack, and a couple spots for your hook, and also your 7-pin connector. Hiding up here under the plating is a solar plug. So you can add a solar panel there. Again, this unit is solar prepped. Go more into that in just a moment. Look over here on the non-cab side. Beautiful fiberglass, all gel coated. This is gonna last over time, not get all chalky. You've got a cable slide. This is a BAL exact system, so very nice cable slide. You've got all your connections over here. Bigger pass-throughs on the other side, but you do have a small access here to your pass-through. Inside, you've got your charge controller spot, also prepped for inverter. City water connection, potable water and black tank flush cable, and then you've got your Suburban tankless water heater. Heading around the other side, this does come complete with the TPO roof. As we come around this campsite, you've got your full awning with LED. I like that it goes the entire length of the campsite. This way you can get your table under there if you're cooking, anything like that. You've got 4 of your stabilizer jacks down there below. You got your connection in here for that, and manual on the jack, hose, and a 40-foot sprayer. So really nice size pass through. Then they've got these G-Class, they're glass doors. They're really nice. They're easy to open, easy to close. They've got some friction behind them, so they're not gonna just swing all over the place. This rear door goes to the bedroom. Get your campsite window there. It's gonna be a table right behind that. We're gonna look at that here in a second. All aluminum wheels. And then these new stairs for 2026, I love that they're doing these as well. You're not tracking dirt inside. That's really awesome. You've got your spray port there, so you can put your 40-foot hose. And then this comes with a thermal package. This is a fully enclosed underbelly. 30,000 BTU. Guys, we see a 35 on massive fifth wheels. So this furnace is gonna heat not only the camper, but it's gonna keep the entire underbelly heated as well. Come around back here. Do have a spare mounted on the back. Got prep for a camera. And this is a fully walkable roof as well. Oh, almost forgot. Outside shower there for you. All right, let's take a look inside and see what this brand new floor plan looks like. Again, really nice doors here. You got your screen door as well. We're gonna walk right into the kitchen here. Quick little spin there, bathroom, bedroom, table. Let's take a look right up here at the front though. Rear kitchen. Rear kitchen tends to be very popular because you get some nice kitchen space. You can also easily get out to the campsite with anything you might be prepping. I love the two-tone design style that they went with in here. You've got plenty of cabinet space up front. You got some hooks over here, maybe for some cloths, pans, whatnot. Really great pantry space. This was well designed, well thought out. Keystone even hiding their fuse panel behind the cabinets. Oh, all residential hinging in here, all wood cabinetry. So not only does it look great, but it also is quality. We've got a stainless sink, all one-piece countertops. Nothing's gonna peel on you. You've got a 2-burner stove there. And then they forego the oven and they went with a convection / microwave. Really like that. Again, good storage down below. We got drawers, all ball bearings, 75 pound. Look at the beautiful liner that they put in there for you. You're not seeing just a bare liner. Again, Keystone's really stepping up their quality. I think it's really impressive. You do have 8 cubic feet on your fridge. See, you've got plenty of space in there, even a little crisper down below. Plenty of door space. Freezer. Kind of back out so you can see this side of the camper. So they put these little spots underneath, which I think are great for either storage, whatever you need. You always have too much stuff when you're camping. On this side, they even have like a little shoe spot so you can come in and put your shoes out of the way. I think that's pretty clever. All right, back to this side. Got great blackout blinds all around. We do have a little light up here. Left this one dark so you can see that it's just a push button. You do have USB-A and USB-C. And this is just a little jackknife. So you've got your extra sleeping right there. Come around, look at the dinette side. Again, this dinette goes down into a bed as well. Ample space on both those seats as well. I like that. So you actually get a decent sleeping spot. And then right across from the jackknife where you would be presumably sitting, you've actually got the TV. So this is something in a lot of floor plans, you don't get the TV where you think it should be. Nice storage on both sides. This is really nice fixturing, handles. You can feel the quality in there. Some extra hooks over there. Maybe you want to put jackets, whatnot. Real quick before we get too far, Keystone putting the bottle opener there. They know what's important on camping. You got your slide, water pump, awning, lights. You've got your lights here for your black, gray, fresh. It's going to come with a 15,000 BTU Furrion AC. So plenty of AC to keep this thing nice and cool. Let's head back to the bathroom. Really nice sized bathroom in this unit. So you've got a medicine cabinet here. Good space in there. A good blackout shade. Shelving in for space. Toiletries down below. Little sink. You've got all your PEX plumbing down below. More storage space. And then, really nice size shower. Good height on this shower. You've got that framed base. Nice foot flush toilet. And then, sorry to keep going up and down, but you do have your little fan back here. And you also have a nice skylight. And then hooks. Actually put hooks for towels, robes, whatnot. And then right here, your control for your Suburban tankless water heater. That's going to take us into the bedroom. Both these have sliding pocket doors, by the way, just to save on space. Then as we look at the bedroom, plenty of storage space on both sides, up above, a little reading light. And then Keystone has worked on improving the bed access on both sides of the bed, which is much, much needed and appreciated. So you can walk around each side of the bed and actually get in. You do have outlets on both sides. Those are inverted as well if you have an inverter. So we've got CPAP ready and you've got USB-A and USB on both sides. When you open these up, you have a spot for hanging on this side. Come to the other side, more hanging on this side. I wish that they would put some shelving in there, but hey, we can't be perfect on everything. A little spot there for your TV. As I said before, you've got the exit here and entry in the bedroom. And then some really nice storage down below. So they give you a nice storage space down there, and then some nice storage space down here. This also, I know for my pups, they love being like a little space like that. A little pillow or blanket down there. They love that. Something not everybody thinks about. Turn back around. We're going through the bathroom here. Back into the kitchen. One last thing I'll cover on this unit is you do have fully ducted AC and one more fan here in the kitchen so you can get out all that bacon smoke. All right, so if you guys couldn't tell, I'm really excited about this new 2026 floor plan that Keystone's offering. I think this is a great option for customers that want something light, easy to tow, just a nice little couples coach, and also something really affordable. Some of these campers are getting really expensive. Keystone's doing a great job. We've given us premium features and a really great price point. So come on down to Apache here in Wentzville or in Hazelwood. See all our new 2026 offerings. Please like and subscribe if you want to continue seeing more videos like this, and we hope to see you soon.